How to download and install Rapido Captain app in iPhone. Now, we all know, or everybody knows, that this specific application was actually only made for Android devices. Now, you cannot download Rapido Captain app directly on an iPhone because it is currently not available for iOS devices. Now, the reason behind that is the platform compatibility and official stance. Now, Rapido Captain is built for the Android operating system, which uses different types of application files than iOS. So, based on my research, I also did try to use an APK file version, which you need to use a third party application that you can use for iOS devices so you can extract APK files. But unfortunately, it will not push through or the installation will not be completed because, again, this specific application is only supported for Android devices. So what you can do on your end is just to keep on updates from the Apple stores, iOS devices, or just simply head straight into the X, or formerly known as X Twitter, because they will also post updates regarding any availability of this application that will be used on your iOS devices. So I believe that's pretty much it. I already provided you guys an answer why we cannot use and download install a Rapido Captain app on iPhone.